Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI Redmi 13R and I want to show you how to remove magnification on this device. To add remove magnification, firstly must open settings and now navigate to the additional settings. In it, X-ability and now vision. There we have our magnification. To turn on it, we press that and now switch on. Confirm by OK, and we have our magnification, which position we can easily change. To zoom our screen, we press on our magnification and press the screen. To change position, we use two finger and we can change position of our zoom. To turn off it, we click there on magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.